না, এমনি তো কথা বলো না তোমরা। Development priorities to fulfill the basic needs of man. This is a trait of development. When the basic need of man is fulfilled, society improves and development expedite. So changes are found in at different levels of the society. Number 4, a characteristic of cultural change and development is that change does not always gradually go upward in a straight line. Sometimes cultural change goes downward. So both upward and downward movements are called changes. One is positive and the other is negative, but development indicates upward or positive change. So cultural change is the positive change in culture. Number 5, both cultural change and development take place within a time limit. This is another trait of culture. For example, Old Stone Age and New Stone Age are two periods. There are differences between the cultures of these two periods. These differences have been created with change of time. So many tools of Old Stone Age have developed in New Stone Age. This is cultural development or change. Lesson 3, different elements of cultural change and development. We know culture is not static. Change is the nature of culture. Though there are differences among the cultures of different groups, there continuous addition and deduction in them. New cultural change and development take place with the cultural difference of a time. There are some reasons for this cultural variation. Span of culture. Generally, two cultures come in contact and change each other. The more frequent and longer lasting this closeness becomes, the more the cultural exchange happen. One culture will receive something of the other through this process. This moving tendency of culture and its spread from one society to another are called the span of culture. That means culture spreads through the mixture of cultures. The span of culture has widened because of globalization and technological development. Culturization, the process of receiving the elements of other culture and making them of one's own by keeping the original one untouched, is called culturization. Culturization is strong in our country because she is ruled several times by external rulers. The touch of different culture is the reason of culturization. For example, the English uh, ruled us 200 years. So many English words have got mixed with our language. Cultural absorption. Cultural absorption is a kind of process through which individual or group absorbs other culture. When a person happens to live in new cultural environment, he tries to receive views, behaviors, thoughts and feelings, values, in example whole life pattern of that place. Thus absorption happens. For example, after marriage, girls try to absorb the culture of their in-laws. Cultural ideals. The culture of every country or society has its own cultural ideals, which means the type of culture of the people of a country or society. They are behaviors, food, dress, beliefs, religious belief, folklore, music, folk art, etc. Cultural ideals unfold that lifestyle and life pattern of the people of a society or country. For these ideals, we notice difference in culture. This is a type of variation of culture. Technology and cultural development. At present, we notice tremendous changes in the culture of Bangladesh. This is called cultural change. This impact of Western culture is great in the people of Bangladesh. Besides the impact of technology and cultural development, rapid advancement of modern technology and material culture improve the culture of a society. The whole world has turned into a global village due to the improvement of information technology. As a result, communication process has developed. Now we can learn what is happening on the other corner of the world sitting at home. One culture is coming in touch with another. Poor culture is receiving quickly the elements of rich culture. Thus, technology transforms culture and develops it. Okay, did you understand how culture is going to change continuously? It is changing by mixing with other culture. Okay, some culture absorb from some elements from other cultures, some ideals, some idea, technology. By using technology we can use another other cultures very easily. We can adopt other cultures. Okay, that's why culture is changing day by day. Lesson 4. Lesson 4. Okay, lesson 4. Different cultural changes and development in respect of Bangladesh. At present, we notice tremendous change in the culture of Bangladesh. This is called cultural change. The impact of Western culture is great in the people of Bangladesh. Besides, the impact of religious culture, folk culture is not less at all. For example, dress, food habit, education, agriculture, treatment, technology, music, art, views, behavior, fashion have changed much for the influence of Western culture, which is now impossible to separate from our culture. This Western culture, which is now these changes easily come to our view due to the excessive arrangement of folk festivals, New Year celebrations, fairs, and gathering of folk items in rural life. Even in city life of Bangladesh, we notice change in the culture of Bangladesh owing to globalization. In the past, Jatra, Palagan, Circus, Jarigan, Sharigan fulfilled the recreation need of people. Now people meet it up sitting at home on Facebook and mass media culture. The development of science and technology expedites cultural change. Both material and abstract culture have changed in our country. Material means element, okay, which element we can borrow from others. That those are called material culture, and abstract culture which we can touch, we can see, but we can feel. That is called abstract culture, like respect, okay, love, affection. These are abstract culture. Behavior, well behavior, okay, these are called abstract culture which we can't touch, we can't see, but we can feel. Okay, both material and abstract cultures have changed in our country, but material culture is much ahead in this regard. We cannot accept thoughts and feelings, views, and using luxury items of other countries so fast as we receive television freeze. The family structures and relationships have changed greatly in Bangladesh. Extended family of the past has turned into nuclear families both in cities and villages. This gets expression through their behavior and lifestyle. The participation of women in economic activities, increasing women empowerment, equal rights of women and their freedom in the family. This has changed the traditional relationship between the male and female. Uh, Now male and women work together in different institutions. Technological change in culture brings positive improvement in our culture. As a result, Bangladesh is turning into a digital country. Okay, these different cultural development. The positive or upward changes of the elements of materials and abstract culture bring about cultural development. Particularly, technology has brought about a revolution in this sector. Moreover, cultural advancement has also taken place in the sectors like education, treatment, agriculture, research, games and sports, entertainment, politics, art and literature, international trade and relationship, mills and industries, male-female relationship, etc. Advanced information technology is used in agriculture, industry, treatment, and education. The success of this has brought improvement in the culture of Bangladesh. Different banks, insurance companies, hospitals, restaurants, hotels, private universities, multinational companies, uh, modern super shops have spread in our country by following Western culture. As a result, a kind of cultural atmosphere has been created which performs cultural development. We are endeavoring to make our education time befitting by using multimedia, following the education system of the developed countries of the world. Besides traditional education system, we have introduced distant learning to convey education to everyone. The changes in our education system mainly refer to cultural change. This has brought cultural development in education. The establishment of several publicity, media, and private channels in Bangladesh has revolutionized our culture. They expand culture rapidly and raise consciousness of the people. As a result, their behavior is being changed positively. This is another type of cultural change or development. Okay, lesson 5 is the last lesson of this chapter. Lesson 5, all of you read lesson 5 by yourself at home. You will read the MCQ as short question. Okay, I will take that orally in our next class, and I will provide a creative question in your group. You will write that creative question for me in your copy and send it to me. Okay, thank you everyone.